In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error, especially when opening a text document or the docs file, which says package failed updates dependency or conflict validation, here is a quick solution for you. We go to the start menu and right here settings. On the left hand side, we can see this apps option. Click on that, click on installed apps, and here we will write notepad. Click on the three dots next to it and click on advanced options. And scroll all the way down to this section where it says reset and repair. First of all, let's try to repair this. It will process a little bit and then repair it. And if it still doesn't solve the problem, you can try to reset that, but make sure that this will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preferences and signing details. So if you want to continue, click on reset. And once you do that, your notepad file should open normally without any issue. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.